Hey, what's up everybody? So this is Oh My God Legally Fab channel, and I am Mandy, and this is Amira.
First impression, swatches, everything nak semua sekali.
Dengan satu benda yang dipanggil oleh Wet n Wild Springboks. So
Sekarang dah apply foundation and everything. So now I am going to introduce product. What are the products? What are the items yang dalam Springboks Wet n Wild?
It is fabulous. So there's a total of about 10. There's 3 eyeshadows. Banyak sangat color. 6 colors. Very beautiful.
9
sorry. 9 colors. 2 highlighters. 3 cheek and lip tint. And then 1 lip palette.
And also
Very generous. Giving us a brush also. So we're gonna swatch these products for y'all.
eyeshadows.
You're gonna do the eyeshadow first.
So nak kena buka benda ni. Oh, dia ada.
So cute. Dia ada bagi brush. Look at the brush, people. It's like a baby brush. Oh,
That is so cute. Hard and heavy.
Hard and heavy.
So we're gonna swatch it on our hands for y'all to see.
Dekat eyeshadow palette ni pun dia ada tulis for brow bone, for crease, for eyelid, which I thought was cute. I thought it's cute.
And for beginners, it'd be like easy lah.
Yang tadi tu,
It's a bit chalky.
it's a bit, yeah. I think this is like a deep purple.
Deep purple. Tengok tu je ni.
That one on
Ooh.
on my skin. Wow, it's gorgeous. On her skin appears.
Just one swipe, eh? Not that pigmented for me.
Tak nampak sangat kan, but it's this one. Not that pigmented.
Not that pigmented, but it's fine. Okay.
Second palette.
It is
Ini palette hieroglyphic heart. Okay, look at that. The brow bone
The
color.
brow bone.
This is-
What?
Okay, mungkin tak nampak sangat lah kot kan.
Tak, pusing lagi. Yes. I think this would be good as a highlighter.
Yes.
We're going to try and swatch crease. Okay.
Crease is not really creasy. I don't know. Look at that.
Can you all see?
Maybe not so much, but yeah, the last one.
Holy bronze.
Oh, it's kind of cute.
It's copperish. Sorry for my ashy
Oh,
face.
this is nice, people. Look at that. Finally, it shows out on my skin. So, this is nice. The last eyeshadow palette in dalam box ni. Oh my god, the name is so cute. William Marina Me.
Limited
How much?
edition.
Berapa ya? How much is the box?
It's supposed to be $29.99. We bought it
How
on
much?
sale for $19.99.
Oops, can you all see?
wait.
Crease. Yeah. Okay.
This is the crease. I think yang tadi tu like macam sama warna. Tak ada colour yang sama tau, macam
Okay. Just like, okay, I'll do a swatch for you all. This one and this one
macam sama kan?
Okay, I think this one
I think it looks quite similar.
This one is copperish. This one is more to mauvey, purplish.
Kena letak macam 2-3 layer
Layers.
kot to see the difference.
So I'm gonna take the eyelid color, which is teal color. Oh, here. That's nice, but it can be a little bit patchy.
Oh, I think.
Okay.
I hope it, cantik lah on the eyes. Not just nice on the hands.
For my first impression, I like the shimmery ones. Dia sangat-sangat opaque. I like the shimmery ones too.
The next product is the highlighter.
Will be
Oh, I'm so excited about the highlighter.
the sweetest blank and
Open it.
and lilac to reality.
highly rated and a lot of people have talked about it, so we're gonna try it for ourselves and see if we like it or hell no, this open. I can't open this. Packaging wise, hell no.
Ta-da! Eh? Wow.
Ui, tak boleh buka.
Okay, kejap.
Oh, I ruined it.
Okay, finally. Alhamdulillah.
Oh, kenapa dia ada macam love tu? Is it different?
Okay. The purpose of these loves in the middle, either you can combine it kan, you swipe it together, dia jadi macam dua chromes.
Oh, that's cool.
Or you can use separately. Kalau you ambil tengah je dapat silver, atas dapat lilac, and this one kalau tengah-tengah you dapat peachy, luar ni you dapat macam pink.
Cool, right?
Yes, it's damn cool. Packaging adalah sturdy, so it's nice.
Just take a moment and appreciate the packaging. Just
This is nice.
appreciate
I mean,
people.
like, okay lah, for a drugstore
It's
product.
cute. I love the hearts in the middle. It's cute and the color.
Colors.
Let's swatch it.
Swatch it.
I'm gonna swatch
The lilac one
The
first.
lilac one individual yang luar je lah dulu. Oh. People on my tan skin. Look at that. Cantik.
It's so cute. Oh my god, can't wait to put it on my face.
Try the middle one, the heart one. So this one is the purple.
Oh.
Whoa.
People.
Oh my god, it looks good on you. What happened?
Really?
Yeah. I mean, what happened to me? What happened to me? Damn.
Gorgeous.
So I'm gonna like 1, 2.
Oh. Coolness.
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't pick up like a good amount of product, but still, it's nice. It's lighter. It's lighter.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Where's that? I'm sorry.
There.
Oh, look at that. Can y'all see?
Oh my god.
It's so cool. I never see a highlighter which, macam dual chrome. Cool. It's cool.
It's like, what? Holographic, right? Holographic shit. What? Yeah, nowadays, hipster thing, trending. So cool, by the way. Love it.
So this is the sweetest blank. This
Beautiful
color.
blank.
1, 2, 3. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh.
Love that.
It's
I
dual
love that.
chrome by itself without the middle.
Man.
Okay, I'm loving this. I love pink, and that is my favorite highlighter already.
This one, the middle one, I believe it would be peachy.
God.
Champagne. Wait, girl. Light pink.
Oh my god, look at that color. Oh, on my skin, people. Look at that, how blinding.
This one?
That is the atas tu.
Oh my god.
On my tan skin. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let's
Now-
try it together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh my god. My god. Blinding color.
People, behold, look at that. How gorgeous is that?
A+. Already.
Hell yeah.
Hell yes. Without even
Hell yes.
applying on our faces, it's an A+
Nice.
already. Already my favorite highlighter.
We are going to swatch the cheek and lip tint.
Yeah, ada tiga color kan. One is macam a peachy pink like that, and then yang
Ini pink yang pink lah kot. A movie pink. That
yang
one
ni macam
pink.
Okay. Girl. Yang
Pink.
pink ni. Okay, the name of this is Kiss Me If You Can.
Oh.
I like that. Oh my god. I think I used so much.
Tak apalah, buka aku.
Transfer. Sharing is
Oh.
caring.
I think you should do this instead.
I think texture dia macam ni because it's a cheek and
It's a
lip
cream.
tint.
It's a cream tint. So this is the color super bright pink.
But it's cute.
To properly blend benda ni lah. If not, dia macam kalau sekali apply, it'll be
Damn.
You want cream? I give you.
You cream. Die.
Cream. Okay, the second kali yang ni. Flirt on the street.
Hey y'all.
I like flirt.
Oh, it's red.
Yeah, I'm sensing this will be hard to blend lah kot sebab dia tebal.
If I blend it, hilang. The last one?
One, coral.
Oh, coral.
Coral. What's the name?
Last color. Crush upon time.
Macam bunyi Disney punya.
Wait, tak
Wait.
boleh.
Wait, kak.
Tak boleh.
Okay.
Wait, tak boleh. I'm sorry.
Well, it's a.
Don't know where it is.
Okay. I think I get it lah. This one kalau macam kalau super natural, kan nak natural gila, y'all can use this lah. Dia macam dia macam
Okay.
tak nampak. Okay.
We'll try it on our face.
We'll get back to this one later.
Just excuse that
Okay.
for a sec.
One.
This one is just
The brush. Is it fluffy?
No, it's tarik semua.
Weh, kesian bulu dia.
Ganas.
Kesian bulu dia, weh.
Oh, it's dense. It's like kabuki.
It's kabuki
It's
brush lah.
kabuki brush.
It's literally a kabuki brush.
It's cute and it's
Can I? Oh.
it's dense.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
it's soft.
I think it's good for apa? I think for bronzing okay kot.
Is it for bronzing?
Because it's quite dense.
Alright,
For
this is the best part. Show it on the screen.
safety seal for your protection. Okay tak. This is the perfect pout lip palette from heart to finish.
It has how many colors?
16. Okay, so this is the inside of this lip palette.
It also come with the lip.
Hey,
Huh?
try.
Apa? It also comes with a brush.
Dual-ended brush, lip brush, but okay lah, kita orang takkan swatch this for now. Nanti mungkin
Nanti
later.
kita akan we're done swatching all the items.
Please subscribe to our video and
Give us a
thank you
thumbs up.
Give a
Thank
thumbs up,
you.
likes, everything. And thank you for those who have subscribed to us, and we'll see you soon.